It is hard to find a city without a bazaar in northwest China's Xinjiang. At different kinds of bazaars, there are a wide variety of goods, prosperous business, and tourists from home and abroad. In recent years, some bazaars have undergone great changes thanks to local government's effort to improve people's lives. In the capital city of Urumqi, the Xinjiang International Grand Bazaar is a must-go attraction with various products from Asia and Europe. After being renovated in 2018, the bazaar has attracted more tourists, giving a great boost to local business.
大巴扎以前是一个比较小的集市，现在呢变化挺大的。现在通过改造以后，就变成了一个各民族文化汇集的一个旅游景点。在大巴扎，新疆各个民族的民族特色手工艺品和美食都可以找得到了，国内外游客就越来越多了。
In southern Xinjiang's Kashgar, a facelift project began in 2010 when local authorities invested over 7 billion yuan to refurbish the ancient city. The old bazaars there have also taken on a new look.
它是那个5A级旅游城市一环，我们那个药材行业发展非常好。我们那个顾客50%游客，内地的。 上海、广州、天津、北京、哈尔滨都有，我们内地哪吒我们合作呀，这样子情况也有。很多那个客户就是很满意那个事儿，然后我们那个回头客越来越多。